is currently wet. It's going to be an absolute cracker of a weekend. We do have some things planned for this weekend, but you'll have to watch to find out because it is July. Alright, we will see you guys at camp. Welcome to camp. Here we are, all set up. Had to set up in the rain, which was no surprise looking at the weather, but it is what it is. And then it died off for a little bit, and now it's raining again. So, but we've just had our firewood delivered. There's a big pile right there, and we've got the fire going. Just going for a walk, taking the dog. Another dog-friendly place, park, campgrounds, and I'll give you a bit of a look around, eh? So see that little island over there? Might be a little bit hard to see, but there's like a little slide, like a mud or clay dirt slide. Apparently the kids take buckets of water up there and throw buckets of water down there and slide down. In the summer, it'd be absolutely fantastic. Not so much for me, definitely not in the winter, but in the summer it'd be great. You got kayaks here as well, so you can take the kids out, have a good time. Christmas in July. It is the day. Games, a little bit of fun for the kids.
Now we gotta keep it going. Oh,